Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man. Today we're talking about cooling system maintenance and why it's so important for your vehicle. By maintaining the cooling system, you can save yourself thousands of dollars in the long run. Maintenance is actually pretty simple on the cooling system. Replacing coolant is the #1 importance. Manufacturers will tell you with extended life coolant that you can wait till 100,000 miles or 5 years. We strongly recommend at the West Automotive Group 3 years or 50,000 miles. We see coolant break down at 100,000 mile mark and often causes component failure before the coolant gets replaced. While replacing the coolant, you also want to remember to replace the thermostat. It is a mechanical device and operates the temperature of your vehicle. Very important to replace at regular intervals with the coolant. Same time is a good time. Have the hoses inspected properly. A failed hose can cost a lot of money. Overheated vehicle, blown head gaskets, etc. By replacing hoses that are starting to fail, if they become crunchy, hard, or very soft, it's time to replace them. Check the belts, check the system for any coolant leaks, and if there is any leaks, get it repaired prior to there's an issue with it. That way you're never running the system low on coolant. If you have the system inspected regularly, you'll save yourself a lot of money. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.